To begin the process, click on the Register button. The registration starts with entering your full name exactly as it appears on your latest mark sheet, along with your father's or guardian's first name and your mother's first name. Please note that once these details are submitted, they cannot be edited, so make sure everything is accurate before proceeding. Next, select your gender and then choose the correct student category. You can hover over each category to read its definition and select the one that applies to you, such as Foreign National, NRI, OCI/PIO, or CIWGC. Please note, if you are applying as a Merchant Navy, Seafarer candidate, please choose NRI as your category. After selecting the category, you will move to the Contact Details section where you must enter an active email ID, create a password, provide your mobile number, and select your date of birth in the specified format. All login credentials and application updates will be sent to your registered email and phone number, so ensure they are active and correct. Once you enter the verification code and accept the terms and conditions, click on Register Now. If you have already registered, you can simply click on the Login button and sign in using your registered email and password. In case you forget your password, you can reset it through the Forgot Password option, and a reset link will be sent to your registered email. After logging in, you will land on your dashboard where you can track your application progress through a profile completion bar, view completed and pending steps. The application process is divided into 5 main steps. The first step is personal details, where most of the information will be auto-filled based on your registration data and cannot be changed. Here, you only need to confirm or enter your WhatsApp number and save the details to move forward. The next step is additional details, where you must enter your nationality, permanent address, and passport information exactly as mentioned on your passport. Any mismatch in these details may lead to rejection of your application. In the Parents or Guardian Details section, you must select the parent whose NRI or CIWGC certificate will be uploaded and enter their full name, email, mobile number, permanent address, and the country that issued the certificate. All these details must match the supporting documents exactly. After this, you will move to the Educational Information section, which is one of the most important steps. Next, complete your academic details. Undergraduate applicants should enter their grade 10, 11, and 12 records, while postgraduate applicants need to provide their undergraduate degree information. Carefully fill in all required fields, including the board or university, institution name, qualifying country, passing year, result pattern, marks obtained, and total marks, and save before moving ahead. Once the educational details are completed, the next step is the transcript upload section, where you will upload all the required documents based on your selected student category. These documents include your passport size photograph, passport copy, signature, mark sheets, passing certificates, birth certificate, and category-specific documents such as NRI or CIWGC certificates. Make sure all documents are original, clearly scanned, within the specified file size, and in the required format. If your documents are not in English, you must upload a certified translated copy along with the original. After uploading the documents and achieving 100% profile completion, you can proceed to the College Preference Selection section. Here, if student is applying of Masters, they need to select option as Masters, and they will be directed to the educational details to fill degree details. Fill all the necessary details and click on Save. Once it's saved, again move to the Add Preference tab. Here, you can search for your preferred course, specialization, and institute using the available filters. Select the colleges in your preferred order and submit your preferences. You also have the option to export your saved preferences for future reference. The final step is the eligibility fee payment. Before making the payment, you will be able to preview your entire application. Once you confirm that all details are correct, click on Proceed for payment. The eligibility fee will depend on the course you select. For instance, if you choose a non-professional course, the fee will be 1,100 rupees, while for a professional course, it will be 1,700 rupees. After successful payment, your application will be sent to the eligibility department for verification.